Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Francis Star here, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can make money on this website. Okay, so this website is actually an investment website, but trust me, even without spending a dime you can still make money on this website. Okay, so just follow me through, watch this video from beginning to the end as I show you what you can do on this website and make money. Okay, so right here you can see proofs of withdrawal. You can see this is $8 that was paid today. Okay, you can see the date right here. Okay, you can see the date right here. There are lots of withdrawal proof on this platform. Okay, this platform is actually legit and it pays. Okay, so trust me, I'm going to show you how you can start making money on this website even if you're not investing. Okay, it's actually an investment platform, and the minimum amount you can invest is 6,000 naira. Okay, and on daily basis you're going to be getting a particular amount of money, okay, for the next 50 days. Okay, depending on the plan you're going for. Okay, but that is not what I'm going to be talking about in this video. What I want to show you is how you can make money on this platform for completely free without spending a dime. Okay, so guys, just follow me through, watch this video from beginning to the end. But before I take you through the sign up process, I would like to just show you some of the withdrawal proofs so you can see for yourself. Okay, so right here you can see this is another $7 that was paid. Okay, you can see the date right here. You can see the date and the time. Okay, so there's nothing here to be faked. Okay, so right here you can see this is another payment. This is another payment received. Okay, you can see it right there, and you can check the date as well. Okay, so right here this is another one. So there are lots of them on this platform. Okay, there are lots of them on this platform. I don't want this video to be too long, so I'm just going to take you through the sign up process as quick as possible. Okay, so guys, I'm going to be dropping the link to this website in the description of this video, so make sure you use the link to sign up, and once you sign up you're going to be getting 1,300 naira immediately. Okay, so after signing up you're just gonna okay, I'm going to show you what to do. Okay, but first make sure you use the link in the description below to sign up. Okay, if you just go on the website to sign up on your own, you're not gonna get any bonus. Okay, so make sure you use the link to sign up and you're gonna get bonus for yourself. Okay, so let me take you through how the website works. Okay, so once you finish signing up, this is what the home page of the website looks like. Okay, so right here you can see how much I have on my dashboard. You can see how much I have on my dashboard. Okay, you can see it right here. This is 1,320 right here on my dashboard, and I have not even done anything yet on this website. I didn't invest anything. Okay, and trust me, once you have up to 3,000 naira you can withdraw on this website. Okay, 3,000 naira is the minimum withdrawal, and you can be making up to 3,000 naira in less than 12 hours on this website. Okay, I will just show you how to do everything. Okay, so right here, if you want to invest, or you want to if you want to invest on this platform, all you just have to do is just come right here, click on fund. Okay, so once you click on fund, it's going to direct you to a page. So you're just going to select the amount you want to spend on funding your account. Okay, but I'm not going to be doing that because I don't want to invest anything on this website. I just want to show you how you can make money without spending anything. Okay, so to get that done, I'm just going to click on this option right here showing invite to earn reward. Okay, invite to earn reward. But guys, before I take you through this process, if you're finding value in this video already, make sure you hit that like button and go on the comment section below. Tell me how much you want to be making on this website on daily basis, and then tell me where your okay, so just tell me your country where you're watching this video from, so I can know, and then make research about platform that pays in your country, so I can as well make videos that can favor you. Okay, but this platform actually works for over 40 countries across the world. It works for over 40 countries. Okay, so once you're signing up, if it works in your country, you're gonna know from the sign up page, and if it's not gonna work in your country, you're still gonna know from the sign up page. Okay, so right here guys, and if you want me to make any video across any platform or about any platform, just drop it on the comment section below, and I'm going to take my time to make research about the platform and then create video for you in any country you're watching this video from. Okay, so guys, to earn money on this website, you're just going to come right here and then click on invite friends. Okay, trust me, you're going to be earning money by inviting your friend. Okay, so let's just read through what they have to say right here so you can see. Okay, so right here you can see, click on the link to invite friends to join and get reward. Newcomers can get 1312. Okay, so you can see it right here. Okay, you can see it right here that newcomers can get up to 1312. So once they get up to that amount, okay, once they sign up, that is what they're gonna be get for signing up on the platform. You can see it right here, but make sure you use the link in the description of this video. Okay, because if you just go on the platform, sign up on your own, you're gonna miss out the bonus. Okay, so you must be referred. So once you use the link, you're gonna just get 1312 naira for yourself. Okay, so talking about inviting people, how much you're gonna make by inviting people, you can see. Okay, you can also win a free generator when you invite your friends. Wow, that's actually cool. Okay, so right here, on each person you refer on this platform, you get 75 naira. Okay, so on each person that signs up, even if they don't buy anything, you can just get up to 75 naira on this website. Okay, so guys, we want to make money on this site without spending money. Okay, at least you can be making 2000 naira daily without spending a dime on this website. Let me quickly show you how to do that. Let me open my calculator app right now. Okay, so I'll just open my calculator app, and then I'll just type in 75. Okay, because that is what you're going to be getting per person you refer to this platform. Okay, so let's say you're able to refer up to 40 people in a day. Okay, that is like 3000 naira for you. And trust me, I will show you how you can invite these 40 people to join this platform. Just watch this video till the end. Okay, so right here you can see this is 3000 naira by inviting 40 people. So once you invite 4 people and they sign up, you're just going to withdraw your money. Okay, because the minimum withdrawal is 3000 naira. Okay, so guys, follow these steps to learn how you can refer people to this platform. Okay, so right here, to refer people on this platform, you just have to click on that button, and it's going to bring you here, and you're just going to copy your referral link. Okay, so once you copy your referral link, what you want to do is go on your WhatsApp status, copy any of these screenshots for payment. You can just screenshot any of them. Okay, so let me take you back to the payment option. You can see it right here. So you can just screenshot any of them, post it on your WhatsApp status, and then post your link on the next page. Okay, if you're not going to do that, you can just create a new broadcast list. Okay, make sure you follow these steps. I don't want to make this video too long. If not, I would have shown you the step-by-step process, but just follow what I'm going to tell you right now. Okay, so just create a broadcast list, add all your contacts on the broadcast list. Okay, it's not a group. Okay, when you add them to your broadcast list, you drop a message. The message is going to show up on their DM. Okay, it's not going to be as if you added them to a group without their consent or something. Okay, so that is actually a cool way to do it. Okay, so once you do that, you're just gonna copy any of these screenshots of payments and then send to them, and then drop a little content. You can be like, hello, I just come across this website that pays so amount to invite people, or that pays so amount to complete tasks, or that pays so amount on each investment you do. Would you want to try it out? Of course, people will want to try it out because it's free to use and people want to make money online. Okay, so once you drop a content like that, they will just view it and they'll be like, wow, let me try out this website. They will sign up. Okay, because the sign up process is free, and once they sign up, trust me, you make money for yourself. Okay, so it's actually cool. Okay, so you just follow this process and you're gonna just make money for yourself. Okay, so guys, let me take you through the sign up process so you can see it is very easy to sign up on this platform. So I'll just click on log out right now. So once I log out, it will just take me back to the first page. Okay, so once you use the link I'm going to be dropping in the description of this video, this is where you're going to be directed to. Okay, so right here you can see the list of countries that the platform works in. Okay, so you can see the countries right here, so you can just select your country. Okay, so this is my country, Nigeria. I will just select and then I put in my, I don't want to create multiple accounts. If not, my account is going to get blocked. Okay, so right here you're just going to put in your phone number and you put in a password. Okay, so once you just put them, okay, let me say okay, so once you just put it, you're just going to put in a password. You're just going to put in your password and your account is going to be created immediately. Okay, so you select your country first. Let me type in Nigeria, or just select it. So right here, this is Nigeria. You put in your phone number, you create a password, and then you confirm your password. That is all. Okay. So once you watch this video to this extent, make sure you follow every single information I've dropped. Okay. Make sure you work on this as quick as possible, because this platform is actually paying. As it stands right now, it is paying. Okay, although it's an investment platform, and if you're gonna be investing on this website, I would say you should invest what you can afford to lose. Okay, so for those of you who want to invest, okay, so for those of you who want to just follow the process, sign up and make money, so make sure you do this as quick as possible. And another thing you can do to get a lot of sign-ups, you can go on Facebook groups as well. Okay, so you can go on Facebook groups and then share the payment screenshot. You can share the payment screenshot on Facebook groups with a little content, and trust me, you're gonna see people signing up using and you're gonna make money for yourself. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching, and make sure you subscribe to this channel if you're seeing my video for the first time. And to my returning subscribers, I will say thank you for always following up. So I'll see you guys in my next video.